12 minus... No, use this one first because we don't know if it's odd or even. We gotta get the answer first. 12 minus 5. You go back. Right here. You learn 12. You have to go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's the answer? 7. Right here. So go ahead, write 7. Nice. 8 minus 6. So you go 8 and count down to 8. Yeah. So you start to 8 and go back 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh no, you have to you have to stop with 6. Okay. So 8 minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's the answer?
2.
2. Nice. 15 minus 4. So go 15. Where's 15? Can you show me 15?
15.
15 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is it? Oh, Heather, what is it?
Half.
So you're in 15 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is it?
11.
Okay, next. 10 minus 7. So you go 10. Look, 10 minus 7. So go ahead. 10 minus 7. You go. Count back to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oops. Oh, look.
3.
Yeah, why'd you put 7? There you go. Okay, next. 11 minus 3. So you go 11. You go back to 3 times. Okay, go. 11.
10. 11.
11. And then back to 3 times. 1, 2, 3. What's the answer?
8.
Write it down. So like this. Much better. Okay, now we have 10 minus 8. So you go 10. You go back 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. What's the answer? Okay, write it down. Next. 14 minus 5. So go ahead and go to 14 and go back 5 times. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, 5. 5. What's the answer?
9.
Remember, it's only 5. Very good. Now 8 minus 4. So you go 8 and then go back 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Beautiful. What is 13 minus 7? 13. So you go 13 and go back 7. Minus 7. Oh, try again. 7. You count 7. So you go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What's the answer?